I look handsome too. Thank
No,
you.
Shah Rukh looks handsome, you look beautiful.
Shah Rukh, you look beautiful and I look handsome.
Whatever works for you.
Deepika, you have always said that you were just 8 or 9 years old when you fell in love with Shah Rukh, the day you watched DDLJ. So how was it doing Dishum Dishum with Shah Rukh? A bit maybe, but how is it?
Don't we look great on screen? I didn't really have to fight with him. Well, there are a lot of arguments like lovers tiffs, and I think that was a lot of fun to do because I don't think I've ever had the opportunity to do that on screen. But in the film, he fights for me, and that's a great feeling to know that you have Shah Rukh like all ready to fight
लड़ के हाथ
and,
हाथ
and
देखो क्या हो
protect his
गया.
woman.
रोहित एंड शाहरुख आपसे ये सवाल है कि क्या चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस खत्म हो गई है तो क्या आपको दीपिका से बाय द एंड ऑफ इट डर लगता है बिकॉज एक क्लिपिंग देखा हमने जहाँ पे वो रोहित के सर पे बॉटल मार रही है शाहरुख को एक पंच दे रही है तो क्या आपको दीपिका से अभी डर लगता है उन्हें कुछ बोलने से अगर पसंद नहीं आया तो
Say yes. Say yes.
Do you think
मैं तो-
Deepika-
Otherwise I'll break another bottle on your
अंदर
head.
इतना डर भरा हुआ है कि हम कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
शाहरुख, जैसे प्रोमो में देखा कि आपने कहा कि आपके लाइफ में कोई भी ऐसा इम्पॉसिबल वर्ड नहीं है, तो क्या रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा कोई वर्ड है आपके लाइफ में जो इम्पॉसिबल हो जिसे पॉसिबल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
I think we all just try very hard. There are things. Filmmaking itself is a very difficult job. Whether it's the music part of it, whether it's becoming producers like Ronnie and Siddharth and their team, and being directors. These are difficult jobs. At least I think we're all very conscientious people as actors, as directors, as producers, and there are a lot of ifs and buts, a lot of slips when you're making a film like this. The sets go down, rain happens, dates go. A lot of things go wrong, injury happens. So you have to always be ready for the worst to happen and still try to make the best film that you can. So yeah, filmmaking itself is a difficult job. I think anyone who's part of filmmaking in India or anywhere else needs to be respected for the fact that a lot of times things close to improbable and difficult and nearly not possible are made possible. So I think that's something that trains us for life. And that's the only thing. The rest of the stuff, I don't know. I feel too much proximity, love, because, she started a film with us. And so I've always, in a strange way, I mean, she's a fantastic actor, a great professional, and she's been working very hard. And the last 2-3 films of hers are absolutely stunning. Ye Jawani and Cocktail and otherwise also. And performing with her in shows. So she's fantastic, but I feel a little gentle towards her because she started her career, so to say, in films with our team and me. So I feel a little protective and happy for her work, even if I don't say it often enough or call her up and say, "Wo film dekha." But I feel nice if her work is appreciated. And I always felt that whenever we do another film, whenever we met at home or socially, I've always said, Deepika, we'll do a really nice film because I thought Shanti Priya, she had essayed extremely well. So I thought whenever she does another film, now Meena Lochini, the character that she's playing now, I think will be as special and even more so because she's grown as an actor. She knows the ropes better and whatever we wrote for the film, I think she has gone way beyond that. So it's fantastic to see her work like that.
Get on the train, baby.